Hey, good morning. Welcome back again to Qlik Sense Online Qlik Sense Training. For using conditional dimension, you need to use if-else condition. Normally, whenever you use any programming language, C, C Sharp, Java, .NET, PHP, and all, we write the conditions like this. Suppose if this is a condition, say I is a variable is equal to 100. Then the statement come into picture. This is a statement. The statement is large, let's say this one, and the other part will be commas else. But if you want to include more number of conditions, if I is 100, then I is 200, then what would be the case? In such case, I have to use else if. That means I have multiple conditions, and finally whatever it will left, that will fall into else part. If I is 200 or 500, it is extra large one. Okay. So this way, the if-else condition normally written in all the legacy application, legacy object-oriented programming, like in C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP. These are the standards. But in QlikView and Qlik Sense, the condition is written like this: if this is condition I is equal to 100, then so here it is then part, right? Then means it's a statement. Okay. So after giving a comma, it will come into the you will have to write the statement. If you give another comma, then this part is else part. So this is one condition and there is one else part. This is one condition, that is the condition output, and the alternative data is fallen into small orders. Now in such case, if you want to write else if, I have to write a nested if in that case. Okay. So let's see in Qlik Sense directly how we can write this one. So in order to write this if else condition and create a conditional dimension, I will create an object. So this I'll duplicate. Here I will remove all these objects. I will use a table box. In the chart, we have object called table. So I'll use the columns here, data, add columns, add dimensions and measure. So what all are time dimension and other character type of data will fall into dimension attribute. So here I'll use uh, some of the calculated conditional dimensions. These are all my measure. I can also use conditional measure by using if else condition. Okay, see here quantity, order quantity, I'll just consider that based on the quantity only, the orders will be evaluated, whether it is a big order or a small order. So I have to create a new dimension here to basket, master measure, create a dimension, order, volume, okay, order type, let's say type. Okay. So expression I have to use if else condition here. If order quantity is less than equal to 10, then it will be small order, else it will be here you can add it dimension. So it should be single quote here. Any of the order is less than 10, then you see the value comes as small order. These are all small orders. Any order which is bigger than 10 or 11 onwards, then it is large order. Okay, now same way, this has become a single condition now. I just have to make it little complex and go to formula. Here I have used a single condition where only one condition is followed. If it is less than 10, it is a small order. If it is anything else, then it is a large order. Now I'll take off a medium order, large order, and extra large order. So here I'll have to introduce another if condition. That means else if part. Up to this is a if condition, and this is a else part right now. So what I have to do, I'll just simply copy this one and make it this nested if. This condition you say it is called as a nested if. Okay. Here the quantity I'll define if the quantity uh, is greater than 10 and greater than 10. The quantity is greater than 10 and less than equal to 30, then it is medium order. Else, whatever it will let, it will fall into large order. Same way, again I will copy this one right here, make a next line, put it and close another parenthesis. The number of parentheses you will open, that means number of parentheses you have to close. So here, if it is more than 30 and less than equal to 50, it is large order. And above 50, whatever it will come, it will be mega order. This is if condition, this is else if condition, up to this is else if condition, and this is else. Anything which will left out, that means above 50 to infinite, any quantity will come, that will fall into mega order. Either our condition is working perfectly or not. Small order below 10, yes, small order. Medium order, that is above 10 and below 30 is medium order. Above 50 is a mega order, 30 to 50 is a large order. Okay, I don't have any order number which is more than 100 in 3 figures, so all is falling into this category: small, large, medium, large, and mega. Okay, so this is what we call as a conditional column, a conditional dimension, which is been created by using if else condition.